Hello everyone, this is Penchen speaking. We will talk about NNMi installation for standalone. We'll demo the installation type and installation procedures. Let's go. So first, you can go to the installation guide from this link, choose your corresponding installation type. After submit your option, there are 4 parts for the installation guide. You can check for details for each part. We will go details for installation NNMi demo. After installation finished, we can use this command to verify the installation is successful and check the UI. We'll demo in the later part. Now we'll start demo the NNMi installation. So in my Windows machine, I already download the installation package and unzip to this folder. And then we can click the setup.exe. So this will launch the installation GUI. We'll start installation demo. So this will do the installationizer setup to check some environment parameters. Now we choose English as a language. This is instruction type. Go next. Accept the perm. Next, typical installation. Next, choose the installation folder. Next, select the embedded database. Next. Next, install. So we choose the embodied JDK. Now we will put in the system password. And click OK. The HTTP port, HTTPS port, type QDN. We can skip the patch right now. So right now it's already finished. We can see it is successfully completed. Please click finish. For the quick start, don't need it. No. And right now it's installation is done. Okay. Okay, you can see the complete and completed. It's done. Now log in the UI. You can see all is good. So let's conclude installation is done. Thank you.